Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Calendar sync error. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Calendar application, which of course I've done right here, be it your web application or your mobile application. So how can you create an account on Google Calendar? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type calendar.google.com, and that's going to take you right into your customized homepage. I'd like you to know that once you have your Google account already set up, Google is going to create an automatic account for you on Google Calendar. So signing in is hassle-free, provided that your Google account has already been set up on your PC. So now during this homepage, just quickly hop into this text, and that is how to fix Google Calendar sync error. So if the events you created or updated are not showing on your computer or in the Google Calendar app, these are the things that you have to take note of. Number one, make sure you're connected to the internet. So to test if you're connected to the internet, try doing a search. And if you're not connected, make sure that data or Wi-Fi is on and that you are not in airplane mode. The next is check that you're using Google Calendar application. To check that you're using the Google Calendar app, make sure the app's icon looks like this. This is it. Next, check your device's app store to make sure the Google Calendar app is up to date. The next is to check that the calendar is visible. How do you do that? Open the Google Calendar application. All right, and in the top left, tap the menu icon, and to the left of the calendar's name, make sure the box is checked. Okay. Make sure that the box is checked to check that you have that calendar already visible. Then make sure new events are being added to your Google Calendar. How do you do that? When you create an event, check which calendar it's been added to. If it isn't being added to the events calendar, you may not find it in the Google Calendar app or at calendar.google.com, which is the web app. So open the calendar app, and in the bottom right, tap add, and next to the event icon, look for events. If it doesn't say event, tap the event icon to switch to the correct calendar. Once you've tried all of these options, then you will be able to fix the sync error. You can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.